burger. I don't know what is this. Anyway, it's raining here in Paranaque, and we're really happy for that. Everybody say, woo woo! So okay, here I have Alma here, and we're going to interview her. Ano ba ginagawa niya? Every time na umuulan, okay? Let's say woo woo for Alma. Woo woo! Ayan. Hi Alma! Hi! Okay, what are you doing every time na umuulan? Okay, question number 2. Anong kinakain mo? Anong kinakain mo every time na umuulan? Putos dito. Magligi ka naman ng spur, okay. Ano ang paborito mong kanta every time na umuulan? Ano na? Umbrella! Umbrella! Woo! Pwede mong sample ka ng umbrella. Sarap. Sige na! Game! 5, 4, 3, 2, action! Channeling Tennis Umbrella! Dali! So we have Alma here who's really shy, like fucking shit. Anyway, kagahapon it was really freaking hot. Ano ang in-expect mo today? Akalain mo ba talaga na uulan ngayon? Hindi. Hindi? Kahapon napakainit, di ba? Yeah. Ay, nako. Really hot yesterday. So that's it. That's Alma. That's my friend and whatsoever. And we're really glad that it's raining here in Paranaque and we're really enjoying it. So catch up in our next video whatsoever, like trash. Anyway, bye!